Canva product design tutorial for beginners. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your products to sell on Canva, or simply how you can design your product. So first of all, you have to head over to canva.com. Here you can see this interface. Just search it up and log into this site. So here, as you can see, I'm already logged in. So login in is very easy. Just log in using your email or Gmail address, and if you're on your Android or iPhone, then you can simply go and download it up from the App Store or Google App Store. And then here at the search bar, you just have to search up for product design, or at the top left corner here you can see this create option. Just tap onto this create option and then you can choose your favorite product page size. For example, here is a presentation one, which is YouTube video with Instagram post one, resume A4 portrait type. You can also tap on to upload, or you can create your custom size according to your need. You can choose for whether you want it for social media or presentations or whiteboards, etc. You just have to choose it up. So here we can see this things. Let me you can just search it up for many types of product designs, and then you can choose one. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right from here. You can also create and start from the blank if you wish to, then tap on to customize this profile. And after tapping onto this site, here you can see this fashion sale option, and that's it. Now we can just get started with it. Tap onto this apps. For example, you want to change this image from here, just choose the image. You can delete it up, and from the left corner here you can see many options. For example, there's one which is upload. Just tap onto upload, and after tapping onto upload, here you can see upload files. Tap onto upload files and browse your product image, then open it up, and then take it for your bring it up to this site to upload it. So that's it. This is how you can upload your product image. Now let's say you want to edit the background side, then just click onto the background side. Then from here you can customize the color of your background. Right from here you can just choose it up and then edit it. So now let's say you want to edit this simple text. Just cut it up and um, type in your text. So now let's make it a little upwards, and let's tap onto the right click on this text, tap onto layer, then let's bring it to front. Let's tap onto it again, and let's tap onto bring it forward. So there we go. Now you can edit every single text according to your need from here. Just tap onto the each images that you want to edit, and then you can just simply edit them according to your wish. So you can tap on to get 20% off these options, and also you can tap onto this off option, and then you can customize them. You can also tap onto shop now option, and then you can just get it and tap onto shop now, and then you can get started to edit them. At the top left corner you can see some sparkles, or can see some dot icons. You can install up from the elements option and search for those things. For example, I'm gonna add star sparkles, then you can just search it up, and then you can tap onto it and browse it that which one you wish to add, then you can easily add them. So I'm going to tap onto all, then let's tap onto this one. So you can just edit these images according to your need. Let's tap onto layer and then bring center backwards. So that's it. So let's just make it this side. So this is how it will look like. Let's make it upwards at the top, and this is pretty much it. Now let's say you want to add some boxes. You can add these boxes, and you can upload your product image at these boxes. Let me show you how you can do it. Step onto it, and you can add those images here. So this is how you can add image here. So this is very cool to look at. This is how you can edit your product page, and from here you can see your add page option. Simply tap onto the add page option, and after tapping onto add page, here you can see this upload option. You can upload your product page again, and then you can upload your products and start customizing by clicking on to text. You can add text box, heading. You can choose this previously made text from here. For now I'm gonna delete them. You can use some apps from here if you wish to. You can use image upscaler and mockups. Here you can check out your magic media. Simply tap onto magic media. You have to describe about your product and it will generate me a product. So I'm gonna tap onto animated, tap onto animated HD ultra 4K. I'm gonna tap onto PC cooler. Now let's tap enter and let's see how it turns out. So we have to wait until it comes out and then we are gonna add it to our product pages very easily. So let's wait and see how it turns out. So as we can see, it is really turns out amazingly. So let's add these images to our product page. So let's add every single one to it, and then just to go ahead, choose your images. You can upload them up, and then lastly you can use audio if you wish to. From here you can also generate AI voices by clicking onto it. For example, I'm going to tap onto buy this now, and then you can generate AI voices using your AI characters. So let's see how it does. So let's check it out. As you can see, so let's check it out. Let's delete this one. Let's delete this track, and that's it. So this is what it looks like now. That's pretty much it. This is how we can edit your product page to design your product page products. So as you can see on my homepage, I designed more products from here. You can also design like this. You can choose this templates. So this is how you can do it. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye. See you on to another video, and let me know in the comment section then what type of videos you want to see in the future. So goodbye, that's it. And as always, happy exploring.